Here we are given f of x equal to root x, g of x equal to tan x, and h of x equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And phi of x equal to h of f of g of x. Then phi of pi by 3 is how much? Okay, so x belongs to 0 and 3 by 2. Why is 3 by 2 significant here? Because tan pi by 2 is not defined. What is pi by 2? Pi by 2 is roughly 1.57, right? 3.1 by 2. That is 1.57 roughly. Now 3 by 2 is 1.5. So it is basically saying this is defined for less than pi by 2. Right. That is the significance here. They could have mentioned it like 0 to pi by 2 or whatsoever, but they have chosen to display it this way just to confuse people. Okay. Now, now what is h of f of g of x? We know f of x, we know g of x, we know h of x. Let's substitute this x in these three functions. F of g of x is what? G of x is tan x. F of g of x, that is root of tan x. And h of f of g of x, that is 1 minus root of tan x whole square by 1 plus root of tan x whole square. That is a function. Okay, let us see. Like this. F of x is root x, g of x. G of x is g of, g of x is tan x. Okay, let's first take tan x. Then f of tan x. F of tan x is root of tan x. Okay, that is this. Then h of root of tan x, that is 1 minus root tan x whole square by 1 plus root tan x whole square. Basically 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Basically tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. We know this function. We know this identity, right? Very basic identity. When this angle A is pi by 4, that is 45 degrees, then what will happen? 1 minus tan B by 1 minus tan B by 1 plus tan A is again what? 1 plus tan B. Basically tan 45 degrees or pi by 4 radians. Right? Pi by 4 minus B is equal to 1 minus tan B by 1 plus tan B. Same what we have written here. 1 minus tan x 1 plus tan x is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so we know the formula, right? How do we derive tan a minus b? We can write it as sin a minus b by cos a minus b, and we use the addition formulas for sin a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b, cos a sin b, whatever, cos a cos b, sin a sin b, like that. Okay, we can use the addition formula, and then we can derive this one. Okay, so that's a different aspect now. Okay, now this we can write it as tan of pi by 4 minus x. Basically, what is h of f of g of x? It is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now, what is the question? The question is, what is this h of f of g of x of what is when x is pi by 3? Basically, it is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 3. Pi by 4 minus pi by 3 equal the common. So, this is equal to tan of minus pi by 12. What is minus pi by 12? This is minus 30 degrees, right? Pi by 12 is 3, sorry, minus 15 degrees, right? 15 into 12 is 180. Okay, so tan of minus 15 degrees. What does that mean? Tan of minus pi by 12, we can write it as pi minus pi by 12 also, right? Tan of minus pi by 12 is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 12, which is nothing but 11 pi by 12, right? So tan function is periodic. Tan function is periodic and with a period of pi, right? So tan theta is equal to tan pi theta plus pi, right? So we can write it as tan minus pi by 12 is equal to tan minus pi by 12 plus pi, which is nothing but tan 11 pi by 12, right guys? Very simple problem, just using basic trigonometry on substitution, right guys? Thank you.